sweet.
น้ำเทวดาผมพี่น้อง Look at this guy. Look at what John Smith. Man, he's out of all the food. Man, he buy this some weird stuff going on here, guys. He got some ball skin going on here, guys. He got some ball skin. Very some fancy stuff going on.
Jackie, what time buy me the chicken fat? Oh, I want the chicken fat.
And look, this is so gel tay đậm rồi
They don't need ginger. Okay, I'm gonna
Sao
what
thì
is that?
còn on here.
I want that ginger.
One Tevada. This is Tevada number one food in here. Tevada, because it's like what is this? I just say the skin ball. It's from the ocean. What are you talking about?
Ocean ball,
Man, it's come from somebody's ball. Try. Tevada, I'm gonna try because this Tevada's
You're
favorite.
gonna try the biggest piece there.
I get it myself. I got it.
Just try.
What can you buy me the big?
You didn't even.
เอาขายบ่ได้พ่อพี่น้องกันนำเป็นนิสัยมันดูไหม
Right? He's making it
ขายบ่ได้ Man, me and Joe Sweet finished this a lot. Talk on here, guys. Me and Joe Sweet were here, guys. But now it's only 3 o'clock, and we're like glory eyes, no, like nobody's business.
That's it. You're gonna try it. Mama Nu's gonna try it first.
Shit like ball.
And then Tevada's gonna try it.
Okay.
What the hell?
What is it?
It's just a sea squirt.
Huh?
Where's the sea squirt?
Tastes like ball. Like the skin ball.
I got no idea.
It just tastes like skin, yeah?
That's not good.
Got no flavor.
Chicken cook.
No, man, that's not good. It smells so bad. Smell like somebody's ball.
Somebody didn't wash the ball.
Oh my lord. It smells really so bad. Look at this one. This one, we took out all the baby. It's just the skin left over here.
There's some hair on it
Yeah,
still.
Joe Sweet gonna try this.
Well,
Look at this guy. Take out all the baby, just the skin. Joe Sweet gonna try it.
oh hell. Oh hell. You're gonna try some
Yeah, Joe Sweet gonna try with this. There's a pepper going on.
You know what I smell?
Oh, you keep man, it just went all over my head now. It's like nobody's
I'm gonna
business.
try.
Oh, it's like so nice. Oh my lord, man, the sauce is very strong. Got a sweat in my eye. Woo! Wow,
There's no joker here.
it's not that bad. Once you get over the smell, it's not that bad.
Tastes so bad.
Oh, we didn't try this guy. We just tried a different style. We had to try a different style.
Oh my lord.
Man, tastes like nothing.
I'll
But if
just try
nothing,
it.
it tastes like if nothing
Wow.
was sour.
Yo, that is
Man, there's a lot of stuff on it.
Oh, it's not. This is how we tried
Like,
it.
try to get to
We just did it.
Man, I get my own.
And guess we're gonna try this one now.
So nice. Not spicy at all.
Yeah, Tevada, try this one. Look at this guy. Tevada's gonna try this skinless ball. Let's do it for the fan.
I get it myself. I do it myself.
Okay, I'll feed myself, fine. อันนั้นกันพอยพี่น้องอันนี้ก็เอิ้นไข่ฮัมพอยพี่น้องไข่ฮัมกูมั้ง
Oh, you
Rice biết thực không có cỏ chát thử chắc là cứ bao giờ dán thôi đấy đây thực dạ cái phần gì đấy luộc
Wow.
bao giờ dán thôi đây là cái giá tiền đang được chặt
It's good stuff. It's very good stuff.
Ah. Wow.
This is some refreshing.
This is my first time ever eat a ball, guys. It's so nice and not good at all. If it wasn't for Joe Smith, man, I would never eat this ball in my life.
Oh man, this is good. Colorful.
Got some tomato going on right now. Wow. Pretty good Tesco, man.
They got all the hair out pretty good.
It's really a ball.
This one look like exactly like it.
No, what is it?
They call sea squirt.
No, the squirt is used for fancy word or no, is it really the thing or what? Is it really the B word or what? Or they just using the squirt for fancy?
Called sea squirt.
So it is the B word.
I don't know. It tastes like it.
And it's so nice and fishy going on. And she got me eating the ball. Yeah. Wow, that is so nice and lovely ball.
Yeah, try it out. You know, once in a lifetime. So.
พอสวัสดีครับพี่น้องเอาไว้เจอกันเถอะนะอย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์กดซักแล้วพอตายพี่น้องมนุษย์เดินครับ Today is the after party after my Dan's birthday, guys. Once again, thank you, Joe Sweet and Ellie and Sarah and everybody for coming here to surprise my dancer. See what surprise พลังเจ้า
để nó
พอกันเถอะนะพ่อพี่น้องบายบายบายโปรบายเดนบายจูน adios